Good morning. We're fixing everything. Oh, hello, more likely, because it could be midnight. I have a drywall sander from... where is it? I'm sure it's somewhere here. There we go. From Parkside. That doesn't work. Yeah. But we can check maybe the brushes. Let's see. Now when you plug it in, nothing happens. Oh, they have meat on there. They have meat. Let's check the stator as well. On the side here you can't see, but what you can't see is that... oh, that's so not cool. When a cap splits in two. It's still okay. So not so bad. Let's see. Stator is the inside of the turning thing on the motor, and on the back there is a little copper blocks that wear out, and when they're not in a good condition. Well, this one doesn't look too bad. Now when I turn, the blocks turn as well. So I'll try to zoom in. I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can, yeah. So I'm looking closely to see their condition, if there is any missing, because sometimes some of them are missing. These look not bad. There is a little bit of discoloration, so they're not exactly the same color, all of them. But the little machine can definitely work with it. Now, what you can do is check for connection between one of the brushes. There is like a brush seat, and one of the prongs on the contact here. Now let me pull my multimeter. Oh, you can't see, sorry. So one of the prongs there. I don't know which one exactly, but we're gonna see now. It's a brown wire. If you open it up, it's a brown wire. Just to make sure that the cable is not completely broken somewhere. But usually cable management on this machine is very good, so it doesn't have problems like this one. But this one doesn't beep. Okay. We'll check further. What happens when, if you have power coming to the machine, the LED light can light up, which is a good test for the plug. Yeah, so there is power. Keep in mind, there is power at least up to here, and it's very small margin of error on the cabling, so I think it's not the problem over there. I'll plug back the brushes. Excuse my nose, I can say. Now what you can do with this brush, because I think it's salvageable, we can just tape it like this with a little bit of tape. I think this length will be absolutely enough. Now we'll tape it through the middle. Okay, let's take some Loctite. This Loctite is brilliant. Okay. I'll have to wait for it to dry up. I'll put some in there as well. There we go, just like that. Now we'll have to wait for it to dry up before we test. The thing, but let's continue. With the handle. Is this one switched off? I think it's switched off. Let's take something to undo it quicker. Normal Phillips head screwdriver. Good. Let's see now when we press the button what voltage it comes up on here. Where is the power? Oh. Yep, we need voltage. AC voltage. Be careful because here can be 220 volts. 30 volts. That's very low. Now, what we're gonna do? We'll take this thing. And you'll see if there is anything burned. I can't see anything. But someone's been here before. 100%. Let's see. I'll take some isopropyl alcohol and clean up the board. Like that. Electronic components don't like to work in dust, so it's possible. Couldn't see anything burned. Already like this. Yeah. Can you see the block? Can you see the missing solder? No. Just dry up the alcohol. Let's measure that button as well. Zero ohms, that's a very good button. It's not a button problem, I can tell you that. Let's try again. Onto the voltage here. Maybe if I have clamps, maybe a lot easier. Huh. Did you saw? Now it will work. It's just the dust. Well, definitely. Oh, heats up a lot. This little board, is it like shorted? What is the MOSFET name or whatever it is? I can't see. BT. Give me a second. It's BTA 12, and on the second row it says 600B, and on the third row it says 2049 GP. We'll see. I'll put it back together. Should be fine. Let's see on this side. Another cable. I feel solid. Like now, because this one is maybe still a little bit liquidy, we'll take some bicarbonate, soda bicarbonate, bicarbonate soda, yeah, and I'll come back. So what we're gonna do now? This one here is going to be enough. Yeah, perfect. Just lovely. Now let's get this with bicarbonate soda. It's a very nasty thing. It will weld your skin. Let's see. Now I'll plug it in. The light coming on. I don't know how much you can see, how much you can, but nothing. Is happening. Am I plugging in the correct thing? Yes. Yes, okay. No? Very strange. Maybe there is a problem somewhere around the brushes, huh? Let's check that. Unplug the thingy. See, on this side here and this side here. I'll plug it in. That's big voltage, 1 volt. Let's see. No? Let's check that handle again. Don't forget the machine is plugged in. 19 volts. Did you show the 75 volts? This is cold. Okay, so now what we're gonna do? I'll go on the other side where the brushes are and I'll try to see if it's beeping, but it isn't. Then it should beep. Nothing. No problem. So I'll count the problem here as okay, but here it will be no good. So what we're gonna do is take the heat and how should I work on this one? I need a really big table, but I don't have one. I'll just grab it with my legs. Okay. Disconnected, yeah. Have one more. Only 3, that's good. Oh, there we go. Oh. Well, they completely burned. Why didn't I open it? Give me a second. So I was talking on the phone and I couldn't film, but I'll tell you what I did. I just chopped the 2 cables. And it's very hard to work with a big stick in between your legs. With a small one it's easy. Now, what should we use? Should we use the soldering? Maybe, because there is like a little bit of vibration here going on from time to time. It would be nice to have something. I don't think they solder it here because of time. No one got time to solder anything like that. What are we gonna do? So we need a little bit of soldering. Good. Good. No. That stick is very hard out there. Or come with the heat from underneath it. Where's the solder right here? It's a bit hard with the phone in front of my face. No problem. I'll fix it. It doesn't want to catch the solder, this. Maybe it's a little bit protected. I just try to scratch it with the okay. Oh, it's catching now. Oh, this solder is... I don't like it. I think this one will be better. Let's see. Let's see this one. I don't find a great bit of difference, but whatever. Good. Let's see now. Onto here. Well, I think it needs to be crimped now. If it doesn't happen, a little bit of lost time, but what else you can do? I don't know which one will be better, the green one or the red one. But we'll see in a second. Just like that. This thing is a very good insulator, so we just need to clean it up a little bit before we crimp it. Here on this side as well. If we can actually burn it with the thing, it will be even better. I'll use the red one, huh? Let's try again with the red one then. Very. I had a teacher from the university passed away. Very sad about that. He was a great man. just a great man. Don't forget, we don't live forever. We don't live forever. That should be way better now. With this little thing that I made for it. Do you know, I can feel people when I bought this one. The block told me, I don't know what happened. It just stopped working suddenly. Mate, this was so burned. You definitely saw it burning. Why would you? Why? I was going to buy it anyway. Why would you lie? Never mind. Where's the brushes? I think we should put the brushes now and just test it and be happy with the result. So this machine is not a good quality, I can tell you that. If it was a good quality, cables were not going to touch. Yeah, because insulation here, it's not problem in the person that was using it. It's not even problem in the vibrations or anything like that. It's just the way that the two cables cross each other, and the insulation was very weak and very little. It just needs more insulation. Should we give it a test? Like now. Maybe just squeeze the thing a little bit. No, again? Why? Why don't want to work? Horrible little thing. Let's check again if we have voltage on the end. I remove the brushes off camera. Nothing. Okay, let's try something else. Somewhere in between, I had to beep them. Oh, I didn't beep them. You know, when the cables were exposed, I had to beep them to the board just to make sure that there isn't a problem with that. Well, what we are going to do now is just poke it further down then. Have the blue cable here and the blue cable there, so let's just touch them and see if we have connection in between the two. Blue and blue. Brilliant. So this is fine. And here. Have brown here and brown over here, and this is absolutely fine. So we should continue further in, which is a little bit unpleasant, but it is what it is. Okay, so at least on which side we should watch for a problem, or it could be any, really. something fall down. Is there a fuse or something? Maybe there is. Let's see. Good luck pulling this thing out. So let's see then. We got one going to this side. Can't really miss it. Nothing. And one on this side. Absolutely nothing. Why? These are black cables. These are white cables here. Very strange. Power goes to the brushes, right? I'm not mistaken or anything, I think. Am I thinking wrong? Of the whole thing? This will be slow, okay. Okay, so I don't know through which exact moment, but it's going through the wire, through the coil, and then it goes through the brush. So, in which exact moment the connection between the cable and the brush could be inside here, it's gone. Could be, it's not like shorted. Let's see. Very strange that bolts don't work. Like very, very strange. But they don't work. Okay, that's the one prong. We'll just test it again here. Oh, there we go, this one is working. So, this is fine. Check, could be a connection, because this one here is solid. You know. Oh, there we go. So it's just dust. It's not good design. It's just the dust killing the whole thing. What can you do about that? What can I do about that? Nothing you can do, really. You can blow a little bit of dust on, you know, compressed air onto it, but not a whole lot. This one is not supposed to disassemble, so it's going to be hard to get it in place as well. Nothing wrong with it. Did you saw? Okay, let me get compressed air and just blow it up. I decided that I'm not gonna blow it with air. I just had it touched up a little bit. We clean the contacts with a little brush like that, and I'll get the thingy with this as well, and on this side and here. Try to get the contacts on the inside as well, because what's the point of, if it doesn't work like that? How it's even supposed to work? It's supposed to be dusty. That's what it does. It's creating dust. It's not like someone was not paying attention and got it dusty for no reason. It feels solid. I don't know. Now, sorry, but you watch my head because I can't see. Good luck with this one. Almost. Is it all the way in? I'm hoping it is. Let's see now again. From here to the cable. Yes. Yes. Good. Now let's push all this stupidity back in where it's supposed to be. Good, good. Black cables on the inside, good. Okay. But if you're going to put so much labor into it, go and buy a new one. Go and buy a brand new warranty unit. I'm not gonna deal no more. You saw the whole thing. If you have problem with the board, you can fix it yourself. If you don't have problem with the board, just blow it with the air. If you don't know how to fix it, I'll tell you, it's a lot quicker to buy a new one. And these here are, I don't know, just stupid problems. Okay, and then we had a little thing maybe there, here, and then a nut. So the nut was part of the game on this side. Let's see. Try to make it tight, but I can't really make it that tight. Good. No. Oh. Okay, so I had it bound up, and now I'll place it here and here, and it should work as brand new. But I was speaking with my neighbor. This design is no, something is off with the design, so it shouldn't it shouldn't be designed like that. It's just no. So now let's put the bolts in. 4 bolts are in. Do I have any longer ones? Yeah, this one will be easier if it's longer. Should I give it a try? Oh, brushes. Yes, brushes. Again. It's good to if you can, to mark the brushes so they're in the same position. I should take them off if you're not going to replace them. And I'm a bit ashamed that I didn't do that. Because it's a very good idea to do it. But I was thinking it's gonna be quick little board cleaning, job done, forget about it, and that's it. how many problems it had. The board was dirty, yeah, that's one. Then the brush was broken too. The cable connector here was burned, 3, and the stator for the brushes cable was dirty, 4. So let's see again. Final countdown. Does it work? Yes. Good. Let's don't know. I'll just count it. I'll count it as fixed from here because I don't have any power left in the thingy. And that's it. You saw enough, yeah? I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.